Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best convection ovens under $100 of 2026 best affordable convection ovens. Whether you're baking cookies, toasting bread, roasting vegetables, reheating leftovers, or preparing quick family meals, you don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy the benefits of a quality convection oven. Today's best budget-friendly convection ovens offer fast and even cooking, compact countertop designs, multiple cooking functions, adjustable temperature controls, energy-efficient performance, and easy-to-use controls that make everyday cooking simple and convenient. Perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, offices, or small kitchens, these affordable ovens deliver impressive performance without breaking your budget. In this guide, we'll explore the best convection ovens under $100 available this year and explain what makes each one stand out. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's start cooking. Starting off with the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. This compact countertop appliance offers outstanding versatility at an affordable price. Combining multiple cooking functions into one convenient unit, it allows users to air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, and reheat meals with ease. Its powerful convection fan circulates hot air evenly throughout the cooking chamber, helping foods cook faster while producing crispy exteriors and tender interiors. The digital control panel provides simple access to temperature adjustments, cooking presets, and timer settings, making operation easy for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Despite its compact footprint, the interior offers enough space for everyday meals, snacks, frozen foods, and baked treats. The removable cooking accessories and non-stick interior help simplify cleanup after every use. Users appreciate its versatility, reliable cooking performance, and excellent value for money. Next up is the BLACK+DECKER 21313 SBD Toaster Oven, one of the most dependable and affordable countertop ovens available today. Designed for everyday cooking, it offers multiple functions including baking, broiling, toasting, and keeping food warm. Even heating technology helps deliver consistent cooking performance, making it ideal for toast, frozen pizzas, cookies, casseroles, and everyday meals. The spacious interior easily fits several slices of bread or a small baking pan while maintaining a compact countertop footprint. Mechanical controls provide simple adjustments for temperature, cooking mode, and timer settings without unnecessary complexity. The large viewing window allows you to monitor food during cooking, while the removable crumb tray makes cleanup quick and convenient. Users consistently praise its dependable performance, durable construction, and exceptional value. Moving on, the Elite Gourmet ovens offer an excellent combination of compact size, dependable performance, and affordability. These countertop ovens are ideal for students, singles, couples, RV owners, and anyone working with limited kitchen space. Despite their compact dimensions, they provide enough cooking capacity for toast, small pizzas, baked snacks, pastries, and reheated meals. Adjustable temperature controls and timer settings allow users to prepare a wide variety of foods with confidence, while efficient heating elements promote even cooking and reliable baking performance. The lightweight design makes the oven easy to move or store when not in use, and removable accessories simplify cleaning after every meal. Many users appreciate the straightforward controls, dependable heating, and space-saving design. If you're searching for a simple and affordable convection-style oven for everyday cooking, the Elite Gourmet oven delivers excellent value in a compact package. The Gourmet French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven brings premium features to the budget category with its stylish French door design and versatile cooking performance. Offering multiple cooking modes, it can bake, roast, broil, toast, air fry, and reheat a variety of meals using efficient convection heating. The spacious interior accommodates larger portions than many compact ovens, making it suitable for family meals while still fitting comfortably on most kitchen countertops. Its digital controls provide convenient access to cooking presets, timer functions, and precise temperature adjustments. The dual-door design allows easier access to food while helping maximize available countertop space. Rapid air circulation promotes even cooking and crispy results using little or no additional oil. Users appreciate its attractive appearance, generous capacity, and versatile functionality. Finally, the BLACK+DECKER 4-slice toaster oven earns the top spot as our favorite convection oven under $100 for 2026 thanks to its outstanding balance of affordability, simplicity, reliability, and everyday performance. Designed for daily cooking tasks, this compact countertop oven easily handles baking, broiling, toasting, and warming with consistent results. Its even toast technology promotes more uniform heat distribution, helping bread toast evenly while baked foods cook thoroughly without hot spots. The interior comfortably accommodates 4 slices of bread or a personal-sized pizza, making it ideal for individuals, couples, small families, apartments, dorm rooms, and office kitchens. Simple mechanical controls allow quick adjustments to temperature and cooking functions, making operation effortless for users of all experience levels. The removable crumb tray and easy access interior simplify cleaning, while the compact footprint saves valuable countertop space. Users consistently praise its dependable cooking performance, sturdy construction, energy efficiency, and outstanding value. All of these affordable convection ovens offer excellent value depending on your cooking needs. The Chefman multifunctional digital air fryer provides impressive versatility with multiple cooking functions. The BLACK+DECKER 21313 SBD toaster oven offers dependable everyday baking and toasting performance. The Elite Gourmet oven excels in compact convenience for small kitchens. The Gourmet French door air fryer toaster oven delivers premium features and generous cooking capacity, while the BLACK+DECKER 4-slice toaster oven stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its reliable performance, compact size, ease of use, and exceptional affordability. When choosing a convection oven under $100, it's important to consider cooking capacity, convection performance, available cooking functions, temperature range, ease of cleaning, countertop footprint, included accessories, control simplicity, energy efficiency, and overall build quality. Even within a limited budget, you can find an appliance that delivers reliable cooking performance for years of everyday use. That wraps up our top 5 best convection ovens under $100 of 2026 best affordable convection ovens. Whether you're upgrading a small kitchen, shopping for your first countertop oven, or simply looking for a budget-friendly cooking appliance, there's a great option on this list for your home. Let us know in the comments which model you'd choose, or if you're already using one of these affordable convection ovens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy faster, easier, and more efficient cooking without spending a fortune.